Guess what day it is?
It's ATEEZ comeback day.
Yay.
With fireworks. I am the one.
Okay, let's go. I don't want to wait.
No, we have to say we're in this boring background.
Oh yeah, we're in this boring background because we're at my house and not her house where our studio is.
Yeah.
So sorry, we'll put a picture.
Probably of Yosung's face.
Yeah, because that's a great thumbnail.
That was great. Anyway,
let's go.
We're excited. Let's go.
I have not watched any teasers, nothing. I've just seen the teaser pictures.
I've seen some teasers just because I couldn't get away from them on Twitter. So
I practiced.
It wasn't my choice.
I practiced really good self-control.
I did not.
Thank you. So excited.
So excited.
Ooh.
Yes.
Oof.
That's a suit.
That is.
I love it. Yes. Get your lines.
Okay, Yosa. Here's what I came for.
Ooh. Check out center. I miss him so much.
I'm turning it up so much.
I know. At least we get his voice.
I know.
Yes! His hair is so good.
I know.
Like, it is pure angst in a hairstyle. Yes!
Ooh.
They all look just so good this comeback.
Okay.
It's ridiculous.
This is...
Yes. He's like headbutt the camera.
So much is happening.
A lot of time. Yes. Oh.
Ooh.
Yes. Get it. You stay on top of that cup.
I know. Ooh. We're ASMR. Ooh, that's a cool choker. Yes, there's where we got it from.
Such a good look on him. He's slaying it. Also, yes.
I know.
Yes, you tried that car.
Oh my goodness, this is so great.
Does he even have his license?
I don't know.
He's so young. Yes. Get out of shot.
We did not deserve sound in this. Actually, we did. We waited a long time.
We've broken records. We deserve it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, we got dangerous.
We got dangerous. We got fire. We don't have any fireworks yet, though. Yes.
Ooh, crop top number 2.
Oh. That's cool. Oh.
Oh, we got real dangerous.
Yes! Okay, red outfit. I see you. And then also black. Oh, there's the fireworks! I found them. They're there. Oh, we're doing some... Oh.
Okay.
Yes.
This is a great time to be song biased.
Oh my god.
Whoa, we got... How many people are wearing crop tops in this?
I don't know. Enough.
God bless ATEEZ, man. Oh, what is...
Oh, there's more. I was the white mask person. I got spoiled by this.
Oh, is that going to be an upcoming song here that we just got a glimpse of?
I don't know. Like, we've been seeing like the masked people throughout the
the series. That was fantastic. I'm gonna have to watch that quite a few times for scientific purposes. I'm shook.
We got fireworks in the end, which I'm glad.
Like,
ooh, imagine at a concert. They could like pyrotechnics it out.
I know, like just light the whole stage on fire. Like, let's
No,
go.
that's a little dangerous, but you can at least put fireworks out.
Nah, just fire.
Just fire.
Just fire.
Yeah, well, that was great. We knew it was going to be.
I know.
Wow.
I know. Like, okay, and it was really different from all of their other stuff, which I
like musically and
and
like,
aesthetically.
And just how it was shot.
Yeah. Like, I had a feeling it was going to be a dark concept. I know we saw all the teaser pictures.
What was that?
And they were so like the bright and colorful, and they had like all these different like colorful suits and stuff.
And their little friends that were.
But then we heard the little glimpse of the melody, and we were like,
nah.
This is gonna go really hard, isn't it? They're like luring us into like a false sense of safety.
And they did.
Yeah.
Because then they dropped all the teaser pictures and we're like, we've been clowned once again. We are clowned.
Yeah, but the vocals and the verses too were like so good. But yeah, Wooyoung ASMR, like someone needs to have him on his little ASMR show, because that was great. That was great, yeah. I'm a fan.
And Yeosang got his little moment as well.
I know. know.
So I'm ready for the full choreography of this, because we haven't watched the whole thing that they released before this.
No, we did not.
Yeah, because
no,
that was a big spoiler.
That was going to be way too much.
So we'll watch that later.
Yeah, and we're going to listen to the album, and then we'll tell you in the comment section what our favorite songs on the album are.
Yes.
So, but yeah, tell us what you thought of ATEEZ's comeback.
Yeah.
Tell us what your favorite song on the album was. Who's your bias? Like, just tell us all of that.
Just have a good old time talking about ATEEZ in the comments.
Yeah.
And if you're not already, subscribe and like this video.
Even though we're in a boring place right now.
It's not our fault. Anyway, goodbye.
Goodbye.